Wedding season has just begun, and already you may be feeling overwhelmed. How do you keep organized? How do you keep track? How do you maintain profitability? How do you stay sane? At Floral Design Institute, we know it is harder than ever. Clients have access to so much inspiration. Think about it: Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube. What used to be a simple consultation, sitting with your client, pen and paper in hand, evolved to include the computer, hundreds, and if not thousands of photos, and all those Excel spreadsheets as we tried to keep up with the changing world. It was daunting. What flowers? How many? How do you price them? Today, the evolution of floral consultation, events, and weddings has taken a huge leap forward with the online tool, Lavalu. It's the perfect resource to help you plan and manage your events. You can even get your flower order ready, yes, counting those flowers, and billing for your services. All of that made simple. The client comes to you. They found the perfect photo of a boutonniere. It's easy. You can add it to the proposal. Just drag and drop. You can link your Pinterest, your Instagram. No? Drag and drop? That's pretty easy. My goodness, all the pictures. How do you price it? With Lavalu, you simply add in all these flowers. You put that in there, update the price, and then determine your personal profit margin. And it calculates it. Yes, you can change, you can adjust, address flowers, recalculate, and it does it for you. Oh, so easy. No more hunting for the calculator and punch, 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 punch. This time, you enter it, then you make an adjustment, and it calculates. You add another adjustment, it calculates again. Using Lavalu for your proposals allows you to put the same professional, polished presentation to the proposal that you do to all your flowers. It streamlines the estimating, and it makes the administration side of weddings so much more efficient, and it can help you increase your profitability. Thanks to Lavalu, you have greater control of your floral business. The art and the business of floral design are equally important. You'll find more of both at the flowerschool.com website. Now it's your turn. What are you doing to ensure your efficiency and your profitability? I invite you to join me and do something you love while embracing technology.